yung space ngayon sa Pringle. Cliff Hodge was essentially guarding 2 players here. And now, dahil sa depensa ng Meralco no first half, playing the lanes, being aggressive, naging hesitant ngayon yung Ginebra to shoot. Ngayon, mas focused sila mag-execute late in the shot clock rather than actually taking shots. Pero ang naging adjustment dito ng Ginebra was that instead of actually shooting long threes and attacking the paint, nakita ng Ginebra na merong gap sa mid-range. Yung sa moment, pagkadaan sa handoff or sa ball screen, yung player na sumusunod kay Tenorio, si Karam, sa play na to, nasa likod, and Almasan, nandun siya sa phase na magre-react pa lang siya whether mag-step up ba siya or mag-drop down. Yun yung gap na available for Ginebra. Kasi when you're playing against an aggressive defense, reactive yan. So kung ikaw